Hi friends, today video given information about the Herbalife Aloe Concentrate, how to uses, benefits, price, full information, start the knowledge. The Aloe Concentrate, aloe vera benefits. Aloe vera is a simple looking medicine which has many benefits, not one or two or four, and it is because of these qualities that in today's date, aloe vera is being used for health to beauty is thought. In Ayurveda, it is also known as Dritkamari, and due to all these types of properties, it has been given the name of Sanjivana herb in the world of medicine. So let's know about the wonderful and best benefits of aloe vera, which many people are still unaware of. The benefits of aloe vera are countless. You must be sure about some of the benefits, but today we will inform you about the properties and benefits of this plant with a long list of benefits so that you can also agree that this aloe vera is really a wonderful plant. To lose weight in today's date, you will see that most of the people are troubled by the problem of obesity, which has become a really serious problem. The reason for all these problems is our spoiled lifestyle and wrong eating habits. According to a study, eating more than the consumption of aloe vera helps in reducing obesity. It burns the fat stored in our body rapidly. Apart from this, the process of fat accumulation in the body also starts decreasing. Aloe vera is also beneficial for people suffering from diabetes and obesity. Boosts immunity. It is often seen that along with the waning season, many times people get sick quickly. In such a situation, consuming aloe vera can prove to be helpful in increasing your immunity. It stimulates the cells to produce nitric oxide and cytokines, which improve the immunity of the body. If you want, you can consume aloe vera juice, which works very well to increase immunity. You can drink aloe vera juice before sleeping. Aloe vera starts working in your body while you sleep. When you start consuming it continuously, you will start feeling the difference inside you. Blood sugar. Daily consumption of aloe vera can lower your blood pressure. Its consumption is good for people suffering from high BP, but it can become a problem for low blood pressure patients. Aloe vera gel for hair. Aloe vera is a very good moisturizer which makes hair thick and golden. It also helps in maintaining the pH balance of the hair. Also, aloe vera with its rich nutrition promotes hair growth, prevents them from falling, and reduces itching by eliminating dandruff from the root. By the way, there are many other benefits of aloe vera, such as if you mix a small amount of coconut oil in its juice and wash it on elbows, knees and ankles for some time, then by doing this the blackness in these places goes away. Apart from this, aloe vera acts as an ointment on burns or cut wounds on the body as well as helps in reducing their marks. Found. The Herbal Aloe Concentrate is formulated with the best quality aloe vera to strengthen the digestive power, the company said in a statement. It can be used as a refreshing drink with water and can be a healthy replacement for soft drinks or high sugar juices, as the product is low in calories. Key benefits: 0 calories, 0 grams sugar, soothes the stomach, supports healthy digestion, relieves occasional indigestion, supports nutrient absorption and intestinal health. Usage: shake well before use. To prepare 1 serving, mix approximately 3 partial capfuls, 1/2 fluid ounces with 1/2 cup, 4 fluid ounces, of water. To prepare 1 quart, mix 1/2 cup, 4 fluid ounces, of concentrate with 1 quart of water. Refrigerate after opening, along with any unused portion. MRP has been kept at 2,206 rupees. Thanks to watching my video till last. You have like video theme, like it. Meet tomorrow, new video and new product. Bye bye friends.